Hello children, welcome to English class. Today we are going to learn conjunctions. Let us move ahead and understand what are conjunctions. Alright, like you see in the picture, there are puzzles getting solved and they are trying to join something. Yes, so what is a conjunction? A conjunction is a joining word. We use conjunctions to join two words, phrases or clauses together to make one long sentence. Yes, conjunction ऐसा word है जो एक sentence को जोड़ता है. Yes, these are words that are used to join a sentence to make one long sentence. Let us move ahead and understand what are the examples of conjunction. Yes, the examples of conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. These are the words used in a sentence, okay, to make it a meaningful and a long sentence. To make it easy for you, it is called fanboys. So every alphabet represents one conjunction. F is used for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, S for so. Yes. So fanboys are coordinating conjunctions. These are used to join a sentence. Yes. Let us move ahead and see few examples of it. Alright. So the word for means because. So the example that Didi is giving you is I go to library for I love to read. The second one is and. And is used to in addition. If you want to add something, you use the word and. They have two cats and one dog at home. Nor. Nor is used for saying no, not. She does not like tea, nor does she like coffee. Alright. But is used to say however. I want to watch television, but there is no electricity at home. Yes. Now let us see the example for or. Or is used for either. Which color do you like? Red or blue? Alright. Yet. Yet is used when you want to say but. For example, Rohan plays football well, yet his favorite sport is cricket. Alright. And the last one is so. So is used to say therefore. She was sick, so she couldn't attend the online class. Yes, these are the examples for the fanboys that we learned. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Alright? Let us look at our pre-work activity for today. Alright, so Didi is given 5 sentences and you have to fill in the blank with the correct coordinating conjunction that is given to you. Alright, every sentence will have 2 options. You have to select one option and complete the fill in the blank and the sentence. Alright, the first example I'm doing it for you. The first example is do you like tea dash coffee? Alright, and the options giving is but or. So can I fill in the blank using but? Let us see how will it look like. Do you like tea but coffee? So it doesn't sound right. It is not a correct sentence. So if I use or, it is do you like tea or coffee? Yes, I'm asking someone what is his preference. What does he like? Yes. So these are the 5 sentences. I want you to read these sentences carefully. Use the correct conjunction that is given in the bracket and fill in the blank. Okay, you will do this in your English notebook before you come to your class tomorrow. Thank you, children. I hope you have understood what are coordinating conjunction and complete your pre-work before coming to class. Thank you, children.